Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This week I have another plan with me for you for the week of March 25th through the 31st. This week I am using a full kit from the Organizing Companion, who is unfortunately no longer open, but I've been hoarding this kit for a really long time and I really wanted to use it just because I love the gorgeous tropical greenery that's in this kit, and I really wanted to use it for March because in my mind March will always be green just because of the Erin Condren colors. So yeah, I did put the bottom washi down and I did white out the lines in the Erin Condren. I probably didn't need to, just because her paper is on a little bit of a thicker side. It is a matte paper, but it's also printed on with like a laser printer. I don't know if I mentioned, but this kit is called Greenery. Not that that's super helpful because her shop is no longer open anyway. So anyway, I did use OG date dots from ChristinaPlans14 Co for this kit in the dark blue shade, and then the glitter headers that I pulled in are from Mandy Dreams. And you guys are going to see a lot of rearranging and a lot of undo this week because I was frankly just really indecisive about how I wanted to plan this week. Plus, since the Organizing Companion used like a laser printer toner on these pages, or on this sticker paper, it is pretty easy to have like the designs on the paper crack, if that makes sense. Just because since it's not like an ink, not like a wet ink based toner, it's just really easy to crack the stickers. I don't think that makes any sense unless you've used one of her kits before, so I apologize. But anyway, I basically used a lot of undo because I was indecisive and I didn't want to ruin the stickers by pulling them up 10 million times. So there you go. Apparently I'm just as indecisive as I'm recording this voiceover as well, so all right. And then, as per usual, I am adding my water trackers at the bottom of each day. These are from Caress Press. And I wanted to mention, because I don't think I actually specifically showed you guys which pens I was using this week. I did use my Symbolion marking pen on all of the sticker paper. And then I'm not sure whether or not I actually showed my Papermate Inkjoy Gel 0.7mm pen, but that's what I used on the planner paper and on the Caress Press stickers. Then I moved into my sidebar, and the two first habit trackers were from the kit. One was actually in the kit and the other one was in the freebie. And then the no spend tracker is from Soda Pop Studio. Then I put down a washi strip, and on top of that I put an envelope sticker from Oh So Fawn. And then I basically just wanted to track my Happy Mail in the sidebar this week. So I used one of the 6 hexagon boxes from her kit to mark that. And then I didn't feel like tracking steps in my sidebar this week, I guess, so I just filled the bottom of that with some washi strips from the kit. And as per usual, I am adding in my icons for the habit trackers at the very last minute, like I always do. The tooth sticker is from Magic Prints Co., and then the paper clip sticker is from Sticky Sloth Designs. And I guess I did show you guys the Symbolion marking pen I was using, although mine has gotten a lot of love lately, so the branding on the outside of my pen has gotten rubbed off pretty well. I also wanted to mention that the weekend banner that I used was not from the kit. She has a banner in her kits, but it's not specifically, it doesn't specifically say weekend. So I used a gold foiled weekend banner sticker from Magic Prints Co. Moving on to Monday, the first thing I put down was a hexagon from the kit along with a Coffee Monday sticker from Magic Prints Co. That is in her gold foil, and I think it's just gorgeous. Next, I was going to mark work, and then I pulled it up because I was actually super productive before work this morning, and I needed to make a bank run as well. So I got coffee, I went to the bank, and then I went to work. I'm pretty sure there was something else that I did that morning as well, but I don't quite remember what it was. Then I put down this asterisk sticker from Planning World, and later I am going to pull that up, but I don't think I showed it on camera. and that work script is from Mandy Dreams. After work, I went home and had a YouTube binge, so I used a TV little thing from the kit to mark that. And then I wanted to work on filming my plan with me, so I used a camera sticker from ChristinaPlans14 Co on a label from the kit. And then I wanted to take my dogs on a walk, so I used another hexagon sticker from the kit and put a paw print from ChristinaPlans14 Co right on top. Moving on to Tuesday, the first thing that I wanted to mark was sleeping in. Oh, and as you can see on Monday, I did change the icon on the work label to a bow from ChristinaPlans14 Co. Anyway, that sleep in sticker is from Magic Prince Co, and then I just layered it over a half box, and then I realized that I didn't really like the spacing that I had done, so I pulled it up. As you'll see a lot in this plan with me. And then I wanted to mark that I needed to pick up a prescription after work, so I used the prescription bottle that was on the freebie from the kit to mark that, and then I put back down the sleep in sticker. And then after that, I wanted to work on editing my plan with me, and that took a decent chunk of time, so I just used a half box for that. And then I took a flag from the kit along with a laundry basket from Magic Prince Co to mark that I worked on laundry for the rest of the evening. On Wednesday, the first thing I needed to mark was work, so I did that just like I did on Monday, but I ended up whiting out the utensils part of the little thing that I had just because I didn't want it to show through the ChristinaPlans Co sticker, just because those are printed on clear sticker paper. Then after work, I went shopping at Ulta, and that shopping bag sticker is also from ChristinaPlans Co. I really love that label with it's not really whited out in the center, it's just sort of a little bit less opaque than the rest of the kit. Anyway, I really like how she did her labels. And then I layered some washi strips from the kit, which I believe are all header sized, and I put a laundry sticker from Soda Pop Studio along with a laundry basket sticker from Magic Prince Co. And then at the end of the evening, I just there was a little extra piece of washi on the washi strip page, for the bottom washi, if that makes sense. And I put a sleep early sticker from Love Shira on there, as well as a TV little thing to mark my YouTube binge. I guess moving on to Friday. The first thing I wanted to mark was payday with a Rose Color Days gold script. I think that actually might be her light gold, if I'm not mistaken. And then I moved back to Thursday and did another work sticker collage, and then I pulled it up again because I wanted to mark that I had gotten some donuts on my way to work that morning. I had picked up a box of a dozen donuts, and I was having a rough morning, so I was like, here, let me just eat my feelings, and I had 5 of them, which is excessive, I realize, but yeah, that was a rough morning. Then I put down my work sticker collage doodad that I made, and then I used another washi strip from the kit with an eyebrow appointment from Sweet Bella XOXO. When I got home, I decided to take a nap because I had been having really bad back pain, and I did mark that with a Planner-esque pain tracker sticker. And the nap time is, again, from Love Shira. On Friday, after I marked payday, I wanted to put a 3 hexagon checklist just to mark some stuff that I wanted to get done that morning. And I'm changing the spacing on the payday. Oh my goodness. I changed the spacing on pretty much everything this week, so I'm sorry if that's getting annoying to watch. I tried to edit out as much as I could while still maintaining flow and consistency through the plan with me so that you guys didn't have to sit through all of my indecision for this week. Anyway, at the bottom of the day, I used another meal little thing along with an envelope sticker from the kit to mark that I had gotten lots of Happy Mail, and then above that I wanted to mark that I had had a migraine and I took a nap to sleep it off with an eyelash pillow sticker from the Sticky Committee. Moving on to Friday, the first thing that I marked was sleeping in, and I used a sleep in sticker from Sticky Sloth Designs to mark that. That is in her gold foil. And then I pulled it up again. I think it was I just had so much that I wanted to mark on Saturday that I just wanted to put the sleep in sticker on top of the full box because I didn't really feel like there was anything up there that I didn't want to cover. Anyway, then I used another little thing sticker with the coffee sticker that came with the kit to mark that I went to Starbucks. And then my husband and I made a trip to Target and Hobby Lobby, and the groceries cart sticker is from ChristinaPlans14 Co. We had a movie night that night. We kind of had like a date day and then a movie night. So we ended up watching the first Thor movie, and then we watched My Hero Academia 2 Heroes, which is like the movie that was for My Hero Academia. We ended up seeing that in theaters, and it was so good. And we saw it at Target, so we just bought it and watched it again that night. And then I had some YouTube things that I wanted to work on at the end of the evening, so I used a 3-hexagon checklist and an icon, a laptop icon from Planning World to mark that. Moving on to the top of Sunday, I used another washi strip from the kit and another one of those eyelash pillows from the Sticky Committee. And then I didn't really like how you couldn't see the sticker super well, so I pulled the sticker up with some undo, like I have been doing pretty much every single day. And then I used this dark blue foiled sticker from my newest addiction that says Sleep In to mark sleeping in. And then I really didn't want to have to undo anything else, so I tried to figure out the rest of the spacing for this day, sort of like before I put the stuff down. So I used a flag from the kit along with another Planning World icon to mark that I took my parents' dog back to them. And then I used a utensil sticker from ChristinaPlans Co. in gold foil to mark that I went out to lunch to Chili's with my parents that day. After lunch, we ended up going on sort of like a shopping trip. So that was just me with my parents, and we went shopping, and the shopping bag sticker is from the freebie from the kit. And then at the very bottom of the day, I used this gold foiled bow and a relax sticker. The gold foiled bow sticker is from ChristinaPlans Co. and then the relax sticker is from the Plangineer. I believe she's back open again after being away for a while, but as always, I'll leave her shop info down below. So I ended up pulling up the bow sticker from ChristinaPlans Co. and replacing it with the heart sticker from Planning World again, and I used the same relax sticker from Plangineer to mark a chill evening. So here is the finished spread and a little Viv wiggle for you guys. I guess I forgot to show you what was left in the kit. Oops. Sorry. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys!